Hey everyone, in this video I want to make a little room tour. This is a room where I'm coding, working, learning. So let's move on. So this is my table. This is my wireless keyboard, which I'm pretty like. I don't like cables, so I like this Logitech keyboard. A wireless mouse. This is my laptop. This is my personal laptop, not working laptop. And this external monitor. Here I got a selfie stick, which I'm using sometimes for recording also my videos. Calendar. Pretty interesting calendar because you can change dates with this, and here you change month. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. That's my books. It's programming books actually. Some stuff about PHP, domain-driven design, about architecture and clean code, so on and so forth. Here we have a little duck. Maybe you're familiar that each programmer should have a duck to talk about code. And this is my microphone, which I'm using for recording videos and also in my everyday routine. This is eye drops because I have dry eye syndrome and I'm using it. And this is pretty cool stuff. This is lamp, which is also wireless, and they charge with USB, and that's how it works. And we can also change the color. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Now it's changing. That's how it looks. And this I made it by myself. This thing for keeping books opened. When I'm currently I'm learning a lot of Docker, and this is my desk book for last couple of days. And this is my chair. It's a little bit ergonomic. It's good for my back. Also, I have a flower in my room. A little bed where I'm, do some sleep during my working day. This is a board with, with pictures which is important for me. This is my painting, which I made in some art training, I guess. And this is my guitar, 6-string acoustic guitar Fender. But it's broken because of my new family member. We got a dog and he crashed my guitar. Yeah. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so this is my working laptop. This is my notes. I'm a big fan of making notes, of writing my everyday things, writing plans. So I've got a huge collection of different notes. This is books for learning languages. Probably most of them is for English and a couple for French. And this is yoga and a book about how to be good with dogs. Here is some games. I'm a big fan of Catan. Also got a version of Catan on stream, so sometimes I'm playing online. And chessboard. So that's how it looks. And here we have something like this. So this is probably dog stuff, documents, and here we got some cloth and some tennis equipment, because I'm a huge fan of tennis. So yeah, that's probably it. That's how my room looks like. The room I'm spending most of my day, and this is how it looks like when it's dark. Okay, so thank you for watching and happy Halloween. Bye.